Welcome to AI Chef, where the future of cooking meets the creativity of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into Chicken Tikka Masala. Sit back, relax, and watch as our AI-powered culinary assistant guides you through the process. Let's get cooking. Welcome to our culinary laboratory. Today, we'll embark on a journey to unravel the science behind Chicken Tikka Masala. With the help of our AI chef, we'll explore the marinade, grilling process, sauce creation, finishing touches, and even some historical context of this delicious Indian dish. Marinades are essential for tender, flavorful meat. The marinade in Chicken Tikka Masala is a flavorful mixture that tenderizes the meat and imparts a unique taste. It's composed of yogurt, spices, and acids. Yogurt is a natural tenderizer that breaks down the meat's proteins, making it juicy and succulent. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander add depth and complexity to the flavor, while lemon juice or lime juice brighten the taste. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious balance of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Grilling is key for achieving that smoky, charred flavor in Chicken Tikka Masala. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 2. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers, ensuring they're not overcrowded. 3. Grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until cooked through and slightly charred. 4. For a smoky flavor, you can also grill the skewers indirectly, over low heat for a few minutes. 5. Be patient and allow the chicken to cook through before flipping. Overcooking can result in dry meat. 6. The high heat of the grill will caramelize the exterior of the chicken, giving it a delicious crust and a smoky flavor. The direct heat will also cook the chicken quickly, ensuring that it remains juicy and tender. The tikka masala sauce is the heart of this dish. Here's how to create the perfect sauce. 1. Sauté onions until softened. 2. Add tomatoes and simmer until the sauce thickens. 3. Stir in your favorite spices, such as garam masala, cumin, and coriander. 4. For a creamy texture, add heavy cream or yogurt. 5. Simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to melt. 6. Adjust the spice level to your preference by adding more or less red chili powder. 7. The combination of onions, tomatoes, and spices creates a rich and flavorful base for the sauce. The cream or yogurt adds a touch of richness and creaminess, while the spices provide depth and complexity. By simmering the sauce, you allow the flavors to develop and intensify. A few finishing touches can elevate your Chicken Tikka Masala to new heights. Consider these options. 1. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a bright, herbaceous flavor. 2. Sprinkle with garam masala for a final burst of warmth and spice. 3. Add a dollop of yogurt or a drizzle of ghee for a creamy, indulgent touch. 4. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. By adding these finishing touches, you can enhance the visual appeal and flavor profile of your Chicken Tikka Masala. The perfect side dish can complement the flavors of Chicken Tikka Masala. Here are some delicious options. 1. Basmati rice, a classic choice that absorbs the rich flavors of the sauce. 2. Naan bread, a soft, leavened bread that's perfect for scooping up the sauce and chicken. 3. Roti, a thinner, unleavened bread that's also suitable for scooping up the dish. 4. Salad, a refreshing accompaniment that can balance the richness of the Chicken Tikka Masala. 5. Raita, a cool and creamy yogurt-based condiment that adds a tangy flavor. To truly appreciate Chicken Tikka Masala, let's delve into its historical origins. This iconic Indian dish has a rich history that dates back to the Mughal Empire. The Mughals, who ruled India from the 16th to the 18th centuries, were known for their love of food and their influence on Indian cuisine. Chicken Tikka Masala is believed to have originated in the royal kitchens of the Mughal Empire, where it was a favorite dish of the emperors and their guests. While the exact origin of chicken tikka masala is debated, it is generally believed to have originated in the northern Indian region of Punjab. However, the dish has since spread throughout India and gained popularity worldwide. Today, chicken tikka masala is considered a national dish of India and is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Chicken tikka masala is a testament to the fusion of cultures and flavors that have shaped Indian cuisine. The dish combines elements of Persian, Turkish, and Indian culinary traditions, resulting in a unique and delicious meal. The creamy sauce, the tender chicken, and the aromatic spices all come together to create a truly unforgettable experience. In this presentation, we've explored the science behind chicken tikka masala, its historical origins, and the cultural influences that have shaped this iconic dish. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test and create your own delicious chicken tikka masala. Happy cooking! And there you have it, a delicious chicken tikka masala prepared with the help of AI chef. Remember, with AI by your side, anyone can become a culinary master. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more AI-powered cooking inspiration.